In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsend an email in Gmail. We've all had that moment where we hit send and instantly realize there's a typo, a wrong recipient, or maybe the message just isn't ready. The good news is Gmail has a built-in feature that gives you a short window of time to pull that email back before it actually leaves your account. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how that works step by step and share a few tips so you feel confident using it when you need it most. Let's start with the very first part of the process, sending an email just like you normally would. Open Gmail and compose your message as you usually do. Add your recipient, type your subject, and write your email body. When you're ready, click the send button. This step is important because the option to unsend only appears right after you send the message. If you never press send, you'll never see the undo option. As soon as you click send, keep your eyes on the lower left corner of the Gmail window. Right after the message is sent, Gmail shows a small notification bar at the bottom of the screen. It usually says something like message sent, and right next to that, you'll see an option that says undo. This is the key to taking your email back. It's important to know that this undo option only stays on the screen for a short period of time. By default, it might only be visible for a few seconds. During that window, your email is essentially in a temporary holding area. It hasn't fully gone out yet, which is what allows you to cancel it. So after sending any email you're unsure about, make it a habit to glance down at that bottom notification area right away. When you see the undo option, click it immediately. Don't wait, because once that brief time window expires, the option disappears and the email will be delivered normally. The moment you click undo, Gmail stops the sending process and pulls the message back into a draft. You'll usually see the compose window reopen with your email content still there just as you wrote it. At this point, you can review the message carefully, check the recipient's address, make sure your attachments are correct, look for any typos, or adjust the tone if needed. You can either fix the email and send it again, or decide not to send it at all and simply close or delete the draft. That's really all there is to it. Send the email, watch for the undo option at the bottom, and click undo right away if you change your mind. It's a simple feature, but it can save you from a lot of awkward follow-up messages. To get the most out of this, try to build a small habit. After every important email you send, pause for a second and look at the bottom of the screen. Knowing that undo is there and acting quickly when you need it is the key to making this feature work for you.